Meanwhile, there were noticeable changes when we visited some popular beaches in Ocheria, St. Anne yesterday. After a stern warning from the local government minister, some operators are finally putting things in place in compliance with the COVID-19 protocols.
Last week, local government minister Desmond McKenzie sounded the warning to people who operate beaches and users: shape up or face prosecution. Days later, we noted a few changes when we visited some beaches in Ocheria, St. Anne. For instance, signs outlining the government's COVID-19 protocols. They detail what is expected of beachgoers. At Flavors Beach in Runaway Bay, there wasn't the usual Sunday crowd, and for the people who were there, they appeared to be obeying the physical distancing rules. On our way to Little Duns River Falls in Ocheria, cars lined the streets, an indication of the crowd at Laughing Waters, which is private property. On arrival at Little Duns River, new rule: hand sanitization is a must, but physical distancing continues to be a challenge. The revised protocols speak to gatherings of no more than 20 people. That too was another breach.
I'm a citizen of this community, and I'm a citizen. I'm like a citizen police. I take care of the community, you know. So them get in there and the government work hard, but it can't do more than we can do, you know. And just the people, them left to the people, them now to work with the government and follow the protocol. But things are get there, man. Things are get better and better.
Checks by our news center also revealed that the police visited the venue Sunday morning. We saw them again sometime after 3 p.m. It's a free beach, but people like Marvin Dunn are responsible for the upkeep.
And I know it's another group is here keeping a check also.
Yes, from the government system, they give away some posters so we put up to see so people could read and understand say the virus is very dangerous and they have to take it very serious as we do here. As we do here, for people enjoy themselves, everybody like they just like, but first it wasn't like this. It's true the other beach, they don't have nowhere else to go now. They've been here.
He insists when it gets crowded, people are turned away.
As far as we see, they get overload, so we kind of close the gate. That's any who enter now cannot enter. They have to go somewhere else. And as we see, you don't really see water more kill bacteria and germs. But once them enter with their mask and sanitize, it's good.
In the weeks ahead, the Ministry of Local Government will be deploying more persons from the Social Development Commission, SDC, to not only monitor the beaches but to educate people about the protocols. Beaches and rivers found in breach will be closed. Under the Disaster Risk Management Act, persons in violation can be fined $1 million or face 12 months in prison.